Excuse me, sir. Quick. Darude Sandstorm. Darude Sandstorm, look.
I'm really busy.
Darude Sandstorm.
I'm busy.
Nah, Darude Sandstorm.
Hello.
Darude.
Make the ground shake.
Hey guys, so Darude Sandstorm has been taking over YouTube, as you would know, like the comments and all that crap. So basically, we're going to take it to the public. Is that fine? Yeah, that's fine. Let's go. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I create a rude sandstorm on you?
A rude sandstorm?
A rude sandstorm.
Okay.
Can I create one?
Go on then.
Second, quick.
Go on.
What are your views on racism?
It's bad, obviously.
Darude!
What?
What are your views on racism? Darude!
Yeah, okay.
Sandstorm! Excuse me. Can I have 30 seconds of your time?
30 seconds.
Come on, 30 seconds. Quick. Alright. I'm going to play a song and I want you to know if you would make out to this song. Okay? Okay.
Doesn't inspire to make out to at all.
It doesn't inspire you to make out to a song?
Not to that song, no.
No. What's wrong with it, Darude Sandstorm?
It's rough.
You wouldn't make out to this song?
No, I would not.
Why not?
Because it's not a sexual song at all. It's not
I think it gets you pumped.
No, it would not.
It doesn't get you pumped.
Come off it. Get pumped where?
It gets the blood flowing though.
No.
Darude Sandstorm.
Have a good time.
Sir, please.
Bye. No.
Sir, please.
Bye. No.
Sir, please.
It's
Darude Sandstorm.
Yeah, what's that?
It's around here somewhere. Me and my crew need to find where Darude Sandstorm is. The street. I really need to find it, sir.
Well, I'm sorry I can't help.
Sir, please.
It needs
Sir, please.
overhaul. Anyway, you take
Sir,
it.
please.
Bye.
Sir, please.
Bye.
Sir, please.
Bye.
Sir, please.
I'll call the police.
Sir, have you ever ate a piece of Darude Sandstorm? Darude Sandstorm, though.
Pardon?
Darude Sandstorm.
No.
Quick question.
Yeah.
Can I perform a rude sandstorm on you?
A what?
A rude sandstorm.
Okay.
Quick. Yeah, TV. Alright, would you make out to this song? Listen to the song, okay? Listen.
That's a mad question, fam.
We're waiting till it kicks in.
No.
It hasn't even kicked in.
Blood, louder. I'm gone. I'm gone.
That's it. We're done, yeah.
Daddy, come on. Wake up. Don't hit me. You have 5 minutes to get to school. You're not even dressed.
I'm tired and I'm ill.
What do you mean you're ill?
I can't.
There is no way you could fell ill
You're not.
overnight. You were fine. Partying last night.
God. Listen, okay? I caught
So you
something.
can't tell me there's something wrong with you.
Yes.
You can't come to school.
Yes.
Alright? Tell me what's wrong with you.
Okay. I've seen you somewhere.
Where?
On Pornhub.
Huh?
On Pornhub.
Where?
Pornhub.